Hi everyone, this is Deb. Welcome to 52 Weeks of Colorspiration. I have been missing in action again, and no guarantees on that. I'm going to try and get caught up. I owe 2 weeks of 52 weeks, and I do want to catch that up so I have a full 52 weeks. And I apologize to Brandy. So I was going to pick out a fall picture for today since last Monday was the first day of autumn equinox or equinox, however you say it. And then I realized it's the last Sunday of the month. So our page was out of this book this month that we do the same picture on the last Sunday of the month. And of course I'm running behind because I just did it right before the deadline here. And I'm not going to really call it complete, but here it is. It's a mandala. I did use the fall colors because I had fall on the brain, but I only used 3 colors. Darling Duckling, Light and Dark. Uh, Bombing Tiger something. What is it? Oh, shoot. Um, oh no, I'm sorry. Pumpkin Pie, Light and Dark. And Cherry Cobbler, Light and Dark. And I think I was going to originally add touches of acrylic markers or glitter gel pen, but I think I'm gonna get out a gold pen and do accents. And I will have to show you that next Sunday because I have to get this video up. I'm already late and I'll just show it to you at the end of whatever I do for next Sunday. I'm going to try and get back on track, although I will forewarn you, October is going to be a crazy month again for me this month. My son is still out of work and nobody knows what's wrong with him. He's got 2 more appointments in October so far, hopefully 3. And also I have some appointments, and also November 1st is my only one and only craft fair this year, and I need to spend a lot of time in October getting ready for that. And I might be getting 2 kittens when they are weaned off their mother from my cousin. She has a farm a couple hours away. Oh my goodness. And in order to do that, I absolutely have to get this house in better shape. I wouldn't want a cat up here in this craft room right now. And part of it I can't close the door to. So anyway, um, and they're kittens, they're going to be all over the place and playing and jumping and clawing and all that stuff. So I'm excited about that. Not sure I'm ready for it, but I just couldn't resist, and they need homes for these little tiny kittens, and I may get 2 because they're out of the same litter. I told her I want 2 that seem to get along the best. Apparently there's 2 gray, 2 calico tabby, and 2 orange. I don't care what color I get as long as they're friendly, to each other especially. So anyway, that's it. I used dark and light yellow, dark and light orange, and dark and light red. Cherry cobbler red. Looks like I missed it. Oh no, it's just a piece of lint. Okay, so that's my page for September 28th. Good thing I was leafing through this book anyway to look for an autumny page, and I found this. Oh, and as soon as I used this first light red is where I started. It bled so bad. This one, the alcohol just ran out, and then I did it on paper and it ran a lot more. So anyway, yep, there you have it. All right, everyone, please go check out Brandy at Left-Handed Crafter. She is the person who initiated this fun collab. I really do enjoy it. I just have to get my act together somehow. And yeah, that's it for now. Have a wonderful Sunday and a wonderful last week of September, beginning of October. Hope to talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.